Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make strawberry filling. This is the jar where I'll be storing my strawberry filling, and these are the ingredients I'll be using for this. I'm going to start by showing you my lemons, freshly squeezed lemon juice, then my granulated sugar. This is corn flour. This is totally optional. If you want it thicker, you can use it. And this is water and my fresh strawberries. This is fresh. I'm not using frozen for this video, so if you have frozen you can still use it, but I just thought I'd try a hack that I saw online of strawberry soaked in salt water, and worms started coming out of the strawberry, but to my greatest surprise, no worm. So my strawberries are fresh, so I can go ahead with it, and they are very red in color. Not so red. I expected it to be more red than this. So I'm going to chop it off and I'm going to transfer them into my saucepan. At this stage I'm going to add my sugar. Please note that the recipe will be in the description box below. Now I'm going to add my lemon juice, freshly squeezed. As you can see, the seeds are still there. It's time to transfer this to the fire. Now I'm going to leave it here to boil for a while before I start stirring. I need to stir this so I can incorporate the sugar into the whole mixture and allow it to melt. As I can see, the sugar granules. So I'm going to continue stirring this until I can see the juice from the strawberry. If you haven't subscribed already, please do that immediately. You can check out my other videos, you would really love them. And also share them to somebody who needs them. I'm gonna keep stirring this, and when I have enough juice there, I'm gonna add my water to increase the liquid content. Now this is my corn flour. I want it to be thick. At this stage I have more water than I should, so I want it to be thick. Even if you don't want to use the corn flour, you can let it dry up a little bit to the texture you actually want it to be, or the thickness you want it to be. But I, for one, I like to use corn flour. You can use cornstarch in case you're wondering. So you're just going to stir this before the cornstarch solidifies at one spot. So you're going to stir really fast. Then this is what you should get when you are done. Now I want to transfer it to my jar. This is very beautiful. It is lush, it is yummy. You can use it for your cheesecake topping, you can use it for your panna cotta, you can use it for your cake filling. It's endless what you can use it for. Please try it out. Tag me on Instagram, like this video, share it to somebody who would need it. At this moment I'm going to close it up and let it cool down in the refrigerator. Now that it has cooled down, this is what the texture is like. It's still a little runny. One would expect that since corn flour is there, it will be so thick like jam, but no, this is what it looks like. So if you're scared of using corn flour, yes, you can go ahead with corn flour. You can still have that same runny texture and thick texture at the same time. You can actually eat your cake and have it. Oh my god, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Do have a lovely day. Bye.